One of the fastest ways that you can move vertically in Vim is by using the search command. In order to do that, you just type slash, and now you can see how the backslash is down there in the status bar. This is because we're now in command line mode. And now let's go and type update to search for the update method. And you can see how it gets highlighted as I type. If I now type enter, you can see how the cursor moved exactly to this update method. That's a very fast way to move vertically when you know what you're looking for. You don't necessarily need to type the whole word. As you get more experience, you will just learn to use a couple of letters, like in this case app. Let's say that now we want to take a look at where we use that modifier variable. We can search for modifier, and now you can see how there are two results highlighted as far as you can see, and you can jump between different results but type in n to move forward, and then you can see that it circles back the more n you type, and then if you type shift n you go backwards. So that way you can repeat a search or just jump from one match to the next. So this is a very fast way to move between matched patterns. You can also appreciate how after we do a search, the results are highlighted and they don't get dismissed. If you want to dismiss those matches, you can do it with nohl, no highlight, and those will disappear. So that's a command you can use to remove those highlights. In next chapters you will see how we can bind that to a custom mapping to make it faster. Finally, in addition to slash to search forward within a file, we also have the question mark that does the same thing but backwards. You can see that we're at the bottom of the file now. I want to search for that update method. I know it exists in this file. I can do question mark app, and now you can see how very quickly I get to where I want to be. So let's summarize. Search is a great way to move vertically within Vim. You do it using the slash and using a pattern that you want to find. Then you can jump between matches using n and n, so n forward, capital N backwards, and then you can use the question mark to search backwards within a file. When you do that, n and n work the opposite way, so they always work in the same direction of the search that you triggered. And finally, if you want to remove the highlights, you use the no highlight command.